What's up YouTube? My name is Brandon. This is my 2019 Audi RS5 week, and as you can see right now the main issue we're having is the wheel fitment. So I did go ahead and order some spacers. As you can see, they did arrive and they are here. To show you guys real quick, we did get a 12.5 millimeter for the front because I mean the fitment in the front is absolutely horrendous. And then we did get a 15 millimeter in the rear. So what I am gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and install the rears first. I'm gonna start with this side first, and then I'm gonna move on to the other side, and then the fronts. Or I might just go this side and then that side, and then move over to the other side. I am low on equipment, so all I have right now is this crossbar, and then I do have the Audi factory that you do use when the car has a flat tire in the front or on the sides, whichever the case may be. So I'm gonna go ahead and use those. So as you can see, I did went ahead and get 15 millimeter spacers for the rear. And then like I said, I did get 12 millimeters for the front, which are these. Now, I did buy bolts in case the factory ones didn't fit. So I bought bolts for that one, and then I bought bolts for the other one. It seems like this one is just obviously like just plug and play. So hopefully I won't necessarily need those, but I'll still run those regardless. Just so my wheels don't end up getting messed up and I don't go ahead and see my tire going faster than me on the freeway. Hopefully I don't scratch them with these. When I did test fit them, they told me that the wheels were already scratched. So I'm just hoping that doesn't happen again. If it does, then I mean, I guess, oh well. I mean, there's not really much I can do in that aspect. So this is my jack. This is what I'm gonna use to go ahead and put on the spacers. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna raise it by about that much right now. So I do need to pry off these caps right here. So what I'm gonna do, put it like this to where it's only this, so I don't just go ahead and damage the wheel. So hopefully this works. Okay, so that's one, that's four, this is five. So 5 of them off. So this one here will take one. There you go. So the only thing bad about all this is that I do not have a centering lock. So now, this is the hardest part, is going ahead and installing these other lug bolts that they sent me over. So you can see the difference in size. Alright, now I'll just go ahead and lower it. Whoa, that is a huge difference. So whoa, just based off of that, I mean, look at the difference. Going from this to that. So this right here is how the front is currently sitting. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the spacer on for this one. This one I already got done. This is the one that you guys saw me do. And look at that. I do have about a 4-inch or 4-finger wheel gap between the top of the tire and the fender. Now this one, as you can see, I can't even fit the 4 fingers. It's more like 3. So that one still needs to settle on this side. And if I go ahead and show you right here, Although obviously the ground is still like slanted, this one is still a lot higher than that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. I have the 12mm spacer, and I'll get right back to you guys on that one. What's up, YouTube? So I did go ahead and finish installing the spacers on the other side, which you can see right here. Now the fitment is really good. I really do like it. The only thing is I would have probably gone 15s in the front. Now, you know, looking back at it, I would have gone 15s in the front. I wouldn't change the rears. I mean, the rears are pretty good, just mainly the front. These are the same offset as the OEM ones, but as you can see, I don't know why this one's poking out more than the other. Maybe it's just me, but I mean, if you look at it from the top, it's pretty good. I actually do in fact like it. The only tedious part about all of this was the fact that I did use a cross, and then I did use the standard jack for the spare tire. I really need to get better equipment for that. I do have better equipment, as in terms of I got a better camera. So now all these videos are, you know, being shot better now. I do need to get better tools. Because these, although they did the job, man, was it tough. The only thing I need to do now is wash the car. As you can see, it has a lot of water spots. It has dead bugs for being daily driven. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this car. I'll be right with you guys. All right, guys, so I did go ahead and finish up the car. It is nice and washed now. Before I show you the car, what do you think about it?
I think it's really pretty.
Right?
Yes, I love it.
No more horrendous gap. It's actually not rubbing in the front. And I think this car looks absolutely beautiful. Like, just look at it. Now, we do need to go ahead and get that fixed. So I don't know when I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that next week. I just need to obviously wait till I get paid. So if you guys are wondering which spacers you guys should run on your RS5, I would suggest do 15s in the front, 15s in the back, so do 15s all around. 12s are good. Me personally, I think I should have gone a little bit more wider in the front. So this is going to be the video for today. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit shorter than usual, but then again, it is a simple install. Now this car came out absolutely beautiful, but until the next one, I'll see you guys later.